Hey there, your Avon lady, Chris Arnold, and I have your product picks and preview for campaign 8 of 2019. And we will kick things right off with our fabulous new Glimmer Shadow liquid eyeshadow. Okay, so, spring and summer are coming up. You're going to be outside more, being more active, out at the pool, out at the beach, or if you're like a friend of mine who just recently moved to the Portland area, it's still kind of rainy. So a waterproof eyeshadow is a great thing. And these are some great shades. We've got 8 different shades. I'll show you real quick in the bottles here if I can pick all 8 of them up. 8 new shades. And then I also have them swatched on my arm here that I'll show you in a moment. And they're in the same packaging. If you've used any of our lip glosses or lip colors, it's the same packaging as that. So they put this convenient little eye on there with the heart for the pupil to show you that this is for your eyes and not for your lips. But it is the same tube with the nice soft sponge tip, doe foot shaped applicator. And you can go, very light and blend it for a nice sheer coverage, or you can layer the color and build it up for a more opaque look. I actually like to, for like kind of a sheer day-to-day, we'll just do like a swipe just above the lash line, and then I will blend that out and up over the eyelid area. And we'll usually do a more sheer look. I didn't wear one of them today, but I did put them all on my arm here to show you. So from the top, you've got the ultramarine, the iron violet, try to stay in the center there. Third down is fool's gold, jade, bronze age, peach sapphire, rose gold, and olive. So you can see I did a nice, full coverage opaque. The only one that doesn't go truly bold is the jade. But I don't know how bold you'd want to go with a green, but lots of fun colors. I actually think the rose gold is going to be my favorite color. I just really like the way my eye color pops with that type of pink color. And then of course the iron violet is going to get pretty heavy rotation when I use it. So great liquid eye color, and you can see I've had these on my arm for a while. They're not smudging, but they're also not stiff. They're not cracking. I can still move my arm around, and it just keeps its color. It's not uncomfortable at all as it dries. To go with our 8 new eyeshadow shades, we also have 8 new shades in our Glimmersticks eyeliners. So we have, I think it's 1 new waterproof. Some of them are the diamonds with the glitter in them, and then a few regular shades. But we have 8 new shades. Again, it's like juggling to try to hold up this many at once. And I did swatch them all on the back of my hand for you. So starting from this side, you've got sterling, which is a nice metallic silver. You have white awake, which is great if you like to use a white color on your waterline, or I like to use it on the inside color to kind of brighten and open up the eyes. You have your olive, which is a nice deep green. Toasted, which is a really pretty dark, deep brown. Sepia, which is kind of a new medium shade, but it's a little bit metallic. It's almost a little bronzy. 24 karat, which is your gold there, of course, which is also a metallic. Purple Rain is the brighter purple here. And then Raisin is the darker purplish brown or brownish purple shade there. So that's our new shades in our Glimmersticks. Same great Glimmersticks eyeliners, just some great new colors, most of them kind of a metallic finish. Next up, we have 3 new sheet masks. And these are great because they come in individual packages. So they're $2.99 each. They're a great add-on to any order. So especially if you're like, you've got a few things you want to get and maybe you need to add a little something to get to $40 so you can get free shipping, or a lot of times they'll have a special offer if your order is $50 or over, or maybe you want to get the A box and you want to push your order up over $40 to be able to qualify to get the A box for only $10. These are a great add-on and a great excuse. It's like, oh, well, I needed to get my order over $40, so now I need to have a nice little spa day some evening in my own bathroom there. So we have 3 different ones to choose on. You've got Get on the Bright Side, which is a brightening mask, and it has grapefruit and vitamin C. You put your cool face on. And that's got cucumber and aloe vera. That's a calming mask. And then Smooth Out Life's Little Wrinkles. That has resveratrol, which is the key ingredient in our Reversalist line of skincare products in our new line, and chia seeds. So that's for a smoothing sheet mask there. So those are a fun little add-on to any order. And we have a couple of new things for the kids. So for those who have, a little bit of struggle with knots and tangles in their hair, we have the new Tangle Wrangle leave-in conditioner and detangling spray. Then we have the cute detangling comb to go with it. I like that it's got the little hook. You can hang it over the rack in the shower or the bar where the shower curtain is, so it's for easy access for combing out wet hair. And honestly, little tip, you don't have to be a kid to use this. So, if you do have any troubles with detangling, it also, let's see, what else does it do? So instantly detangles hair, helps tame flyaways, and helps make it easier to style hair. Comb through and leave in, and it's got a very berry scent. So even if you're a grown-up using it, it's still a fun scent there. All right, got a couple of things from our new fashion collection. This is a pretty good size collection we're calling In Full Bloom. So lots of fun, bright colors, floral prints. You can see, and we've got different pieces in the same prints. Lots of mix and match pieces here. Yeah, definitely lots of floral prints, lots of bright reds. Very, very springy collection. There's a couple more pieces there. So I picked up a couple things. I've been getting a little bit better about not buying a piece from every little, not buying an entire collection. So first up, I have the Lucrezia Skirt. And this is a basic knit. You can see she's got it on there, and it's hits at about, on her it hits right at the top of her calf. On me it hits about mid calf. I'm on the shorter side, 5'4", and so it's a basic silhouette. Like, it's a little bit of an A-line. It's not a straight pencil skirt. It's got a little bit of an A-line. It's a knit fabric, and it's very flowy, so it's got a nice movement to it. Nice wide elastic waistband. So again, it's going to move with you, and the wide band is going to keep it from kind of cutting in and giving you that Michelin Man effect that some waistbands can give you. No pockets, unfortunately, but otherwise, and it's a great print. The black and white floral is going to go with tons of fun stuff. And we do have the let's see, is that the Yasmin? Yeah, the Yasmin flutter sleeve top that is in the same print. So you can almost go, it almost looks like a dress when you wear the pieces together. I actually decided to go with the Amber Eyelet top. And you can see that is available in black or white if you want to go more monochromatic. I decided to go with purple, so I thought that would be more fun. This is also a knit fabric on the top of the sleeves and the body of the shirt. So it's a knit fabric, but it's kind of a heavier weight knit than your standard t-shirt. So it's not as flowy as the skirt is. It's more stiff, but it's still knit. So it's going to move with you in it, but it's not going to lose its shape. So there's the bottom of that with the eyelet hem that I think is just adorable. You do have the side slits in the eyelet hem, so that makes it nice and comfortable. And then your sleeves, is you've got a nice little eyelet, it makes it almost like a bell sleeve there. Gives you a little bit of a flutter at the sleeve. So that is the Lucrezia skirt and the Amber eyelet top from our new In Full Bloom collection. Let's see what else we had back here. And speaking of the A boxes, of course, $10 with any $40 purchase from this brochure. Beautiful box this time. I really, I like most of the boxes, but I love the beautiful print on that. And of course, that is the floral print for our new Flourish Honey Blossom fragrance, which before it's even available to purchase the full-size spray in the brochure, you can get the travel size in this A box, along with a travel size of our Power Serum and a full-size Glimmersticks eyeliner in Sugar Plum and True Color lipstick in, let's see, Brown Sugar. Couldn't remember which one of the colors that was, but so that's our great offer. Any $40 purchase from Campaign 8, you can get that for only $10. So that is everything I have for Campaign 8. Yes, Campaign 8 of 2019. I knew the campaign at the beginning of the video. I don't know why I don't know it now. So this will be going up on my online store. Let me double check my calendar. Campaign 8, you can start ordering on March 19th, and then that runs through April 1st is when this will be up on my online store, youravon.com/carnold. So have a wonderful day, and I will see y'all again in a couple of weeks.